In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format dates and currencies. If you've ever entered a date or a price in Google Sheets and it didn't look quite right, the good news is that formatting it properly only takes a moment and makes your data clearer, more consistent, and easier to analyze. Start by highlighting the cells you want to change. You can drag across a range, select an entire column by clicking its letter, or use a selection you already have. With those cells selected, go to the top menu and open Format, then hover over Number. This is where Google Sheets stores all the display options for numbers, including dates and currencies. If you're working with dates, choose Date. Instantly, those cells will display as proper dates instead of plain text or inconsistent numbers. This doesn't change the underlying value, it only changes how it's shown, which helps when you sort, filter, or calculate with dates. If the default date layout isn't what you want, pick Custom Date and Time from that same menu. In the custom editor, you can rearrange the components to match your style. For example, year first, month name instead of a number, or adding the day of the week, and include time if you need it. You'll see a live preview so you can confirm the result before applying. For prices and financial figures, return to Format, Number, and select Currency. Sheets will display a currency symbol, use thousands separators, and keep your decimals aligned. Just like with dates, this only changes the appearance, not the actual number, so formulas and totals continue to work. If you need a specific symbol, decimal precision, or negative number style, choose Custom Currency. There you can pick the symbol you prefer, set how many decimal places to show, decide whether to use commas for large numbers, and choose how negatives appear, such as with a minus sign or in parentheses. Again, check the preview to ensure it matches your needs. If anything doesn't change as expected, make sure your entries are recognized as real dates or numbers rather than text. Once they are, formatting from the Number menu will apply cleanly. To recap, highlight the cells, open Format, then Number, and pick date or currency for quick, clean results. When you need more control, use Custom Date and Time or Custom Currency to fine-tune the display. With these simple adjustments, your sheets will look polished and remain fully functional for sorting, filtering, and calculations.